Hey everyone, here's interesting apps called Vocal Range Finder, SingWhiz, singing exercises and warm-ups. Pretty cool app where you can identify your range, your vocal range, like which is the lowest note you can take and what is the highest one. And then you can identify your voice type based on that. So that's the idea, and then you can also practice singing. You can do some exercises as you want. So here it is. You can just open it up, and I just tried it out. By the way, you can do it for free. You don't need to upgrade. So let's just try it out. So how you test out your vocal range is just when you sign up, you try to take the lowest note you can, and then you can try. You need to take the highest note. Well, I'm completely far from a professional singer, but even if you're an amateur, you can try this. Oh, oh, oh. So as you can see, I can't go lower than that. That's just my note, and this is just my lowest note remains the same. And then you can just try it like that, and then you can discover more singers in that range, and then you can try to find out your highest note. I can't do this, guys. So, but anyhow, that's like how you can try it out, and then you can see your voice type here. Yep, pretty cool. And then there are a bunch of exercises. Unfortunately, there is only one free exercise. Then you need to upgrade. If you want to upgrade, it's like only $15 per year, which is pretty good deal. So give it a try. I don't know if this app is available on Google Play Store, but at least here it is on iPhone.